Hey everybody, Glenn Valentine here. I want to show you a couple of things for springtime inspections, and when we're going through all these rains and thaws. I just want to talk about a couple moisture meters that I use. This one here is a probe meter. I can poke and probe into finished basements carpet. This one's a non-contact meter. Just want to show you how both of these might work. Here's an example where I can come in and probe into this material. This one gives an audible and a beep, a flashing light, but we can confirm that we do have moisture. Here's the other one if we want to get a little bit more technical with calibrations. Here we're about 85-90% saturated with moisture content in that wall. Kind of another example would be over here. You can see we have obvious discoloration and staining. Some might say it's old. We can come in here and we can confirm spots like this, put the meter, and you can just see almost 100% saturated right in that area. So a couple meters I wanted to show you what Hammer Home Inspections is always doing as a best practice on your home inspection. If you need me for this early spring or summer or winter, any moisture related issues, reach out to Hammer Home Inspections.